Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Sangma minta ke sngi ke artarik ujiliu arhaja arpasan ula leit penjurip ya kemarin first ground ha SSA Stadium Polo kabadan happening ke jing maramat pynphriang ya katu kani ki bentar saudang ke madan. Haba crunch kila patai khubor Menteri Rangba ulong bagi dan katu kani ki jing e ki bla pelong ban penslaman pendap ya kani ke jing terai kumta namar baka kam kalong kerki hakaba setang khniat sngi ke SSA kala thumu ban stang no e ke jingile kai football league hakatai ke stadium kumta ula kerpa e ki contractor bat ki nong penya ya ke sports bakin pen kloi ban pendap ya ke ni ke jing benterai bana ka liang jong kiru kila penting kana ba an pendap no hapo khandai ni shpo sngi kumta Menteri Rangba ulong ba hadian khandai ni shpo sngi ke jingile kai kan la ban stang no laban kedo baka Shillong Sport Association katmu ban stang no ya ka under 24 division henry nakadaw ka jingduna ki benta bahab maramat ya ka madan happen senge shwa u Konrad ulo ongru baka jingjurep jong u menta ka sngi ka longru kum shibenta man pet ya ki jingdan kam ban pynphriang ya baro ka way ka stadium ban pen create ru naka benta ka national games.
Let's hope 9 will be able to start.
After 7 years.
I don't know whether they allow artificial turf in national games. They allow?
But this ground also was utilized by this international team also, like Maldives, Bangladesh also.
No, practicing is okay, but I mean there are certain criteria. Sometimes they don't allow artificial turf to be played.
Only ISL they don't allow.
I think they allow. National games allow.
Yeah, yes.
But we feel something as our Shillong Sports Channel is oldest ocean in.
Once you have the master plan for everything from drains to bathroom to cafeteria, everything, and then you say, okay, this block will cost us 10 crores, this block will cost 2 crores, this block will cost us, but design is same. Then as soon as we get 2 crore, we build this one. Then we get 10 crore, then we build this one. That's how it should be now. I mean, it may cost us 100 crores to build this whole thing, but the blueprint should be ready from day one, so that there is no, like you're saying now, this drain is not there. It should have been planned. I mean, sorry, whoever did it, I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just saying that that's how it should be. Otherwise, it'll mess up like this one. So here also you do this, you do it with a master plan. You should make a master plan for this. I'm not saying we'll complete the master plan, but at least we will leave behind this master plan so that we'll do whatever we can. Maybe we'll complete 100% also. But if we cannot complete also, at least whoever will, then complete it, will say that, okay, this much is required, this drain needs to be there. So at least the plan will be there. No? Yes, we have visited the SSA ground on the request of the entire team from SSA. President, secretary and other members have requested, and as you can see that there is work going on for the drainage so that the water can easily flow out, and there's been some delay in the work because of multiple reasons. There are problems earlier we had because of which the earlier plans could not be completed. So there was a bit of an issue. So now we are trying to resolve those issues to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. As you know that the league is about to start. The season is already here, and there are more than 100 clubs that are participating. For the schedule cannot be shifted and changed too many times, and hence there is an urgency to complete this. So we have called the entire sports department, the engineers and the contractor concerned to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. They have given us a commitment that in about 8 to 9 days they'll be able to complete, and by the 9th or 10th day the actual league and the matches can start. At the same time, I've also come to see how we could improve the overall infrastructure in the stadium. As you know, this is a very, very important stadium where the heart of the football is here in Shillong, and all the clubs play out here. So therefore, there is a lack of overall planned infrastructure in this area. So the members of the SSA have asked me to work out and see how we could have a master plan where we could increase the gallery, improve the overall look and the facilities around this particular stadium, so that it could become much better setup. And of course, keeping in mind the national games also coming up, this could also be one of the venues where we could have some of the matches taking place. So that was the purpose of this visit. And as I said, we are hopeful that we'll be able to complete this. I've asked the contractor and the engineers to make sure it's done at the earliest, and at the same time to prepare a master plan so that in a phase-wise manner we can improve this overall SSA ground.
There is no power plant here.
Power plant?
Yeah, there's no proper plant. The SSA here. See, the road is on top, underground is down. During the rain season, water is come to a plane.
Yeah, I mean, this is what we got. So it was in fact for last 7 years this was not being used. It was only in 2022-23 that after 7 years of not being used, finally we managed to complete the work. So this is what we got. In the past, of course, a lot of issues are there. I was just sharing my thoughts with our SSA members that if you look at the overall design also, each block is different. There's no uniformity in the design. There is a different seating area which looks different from the other seating areas. Even the cover is different in each area. So it doesn't look like a proper planned stadium. So there is a lot of problem. And in these kind of situations, it's even more difficult, to come up with a solution, because it's not a greenfield project, it's a brownfield project. So therefore we are restricted by constraints, but we'll see what we can do best and try to improve the overall system infrastructure here.